Hi. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to courses, and open up your art class, open up your assignments, open up the one about sketchbook use. So we're going to submit an assignment. I'm going to resubmit to show you resources, apps, Google Drive resource, and go to your folder. We're going to add a new Google Doc. And this time we're going to call it with your name. So I'm going to write Mrs. Murray's example sketchbook idea. And, well, you know what? I forgot something. Mrs. Murray, P, question mark, cohort, question mark. Now we're going to write sketchbook ideas and thumbnails. That's going to be the new Google Doc. All right, so I want to select that and I want to open it so I can start working right in it before. Now, I want to have this title, so I'm going to capture that and copy, paste it right on the top of my document before I start anything. And as I said, it's up to you if you want to justify it in the middle and make it a little bigger. I always like to do that. Now, here's what you're going to do. You're going to take an image with your camera, just like we've done before. So the first one is going to be all your lines. So here we go. Oops. Image, camera. Okay, there I am with my sketchbook, and this is really going to take some practice. I'm going to go ahead, and I'm going to do the best I can to not have it crooked. And boy, oh boy, it does take a little practice. You guys will get really good at it. And if you can think of a better way to do this, then I really encourage you to do so. But for this, I'm going to just, oh, that looks pretty good. All right, here I go. Whoop. Come back. Okay, let me. This is taking longer. There we go. All right, I'm going to snap the picture. I'm going to snap the picture. I know this is boring, but that's pretty good. There. So I'm going to take that picture and insert it. Now, I could do better because here's what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to make it bigger. Then I'm going to do this. Click twice on it until you see sort of black corners. And when you do that, that's how you crop the image. We don't really want me in the picture. I just want to see your sketchbook. And there we go. That looks pretty good. So if I double click on it, or I press enter, return, actually, that's what I had to do. I had to press my keyboard. And just to repeat that, I'm going to show you one more time. I'm double clicking. Now I have this box and I can move it just to where I want it. Hit return and it disappears. That's how you crop it. All right, that one looks pretty good. Actually, I'm going to make it a little bigger. And it's pretty clear. That's good. Next, I'm going to do one more picture. This time, I'm going to insert a picture of of image, camera, once again. Ooh, so now that I have a little bit more practice with, maybe if I put my sketchbook down and I move my computer, laptop, instead of trying to hold it in the air, it will be a little more stable and the picture will come out a little better. Let's try that. Using the table. Maybe I won't put my fingers on it, but I'll just sort of hold the corner. How's that? Looks okay. All right, so this is the one of the 4 thumbnail sketches. And I want to have the whole thing. All right, that looks beautiful. I'm going to take a picture of that. Beautiful. Now I'm going to insert that there. Oops, didn't happen. Inserted the wrong one. Let me try that again. Back to my camera. This one, select. Hi. Insert. There we go. Now I'm going to do the same thing. Now notice what happens if I just select it and I do this. If I do this and I try to crop it, what I'm actually doing is distorting the image. I don't want to do that. So let me use this arrow. I have to make sure these little black cropping corners are on it. And that's how I'm going to really get what I want. Okay? Enter or return on the keyboard. And now I'm going to make it bigger so it can be seen really nicely. I want to emphasize my work as always. And I am going to, at this point, start writing my reflection because that's part of it. Reflect. How did you think about line in a variety of ways? Don't worry about the spell check until the end. There. Oop, that's an extra T there. What are thumbnail sketches? How did you like the thumbnails you made? Did you have a favorite? I know I did. I like this one the best. I like the swirly line, the swivel. This one is my favorite. So I might even insert a little box over it, or maybe I'll give it a star. You can give yourself a star. Just like this. Image, insert. How can you do it? Anyway, you can do whatever you want as long as you have your 2 to 3 sentences reflecting on basically what you did and how did it go? Question mark. Okay? So that's it. Now, that's all done. Close it and it's selected. Import file. And there I have it. Right there. Oh, this happens sometimes. Document conversion in process. So it won't pop up immediately, but you'll be able to check later. It will be there and it says up to 10 minutes. So don't worry about it. But that's basically it. And you are done. Okay.